Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix WhatsApp incoming call not showing on the screen. So first thing you're gonna do, go to your device settings, search for app management, and here you're gonna search for WhatsApp. First thing you're gonna do, force stop, then go to storage usage, clear your cache, then go to manage notifications. Make sure that you allowed WhatsApp all of this and allowed notifications. Then go to permissions and make sure you allowed WhatsApp all of this. Then go to WhatsApp, find three dots on the top right corner of your device, find settings, scroll down a little bit and find notifications. Make sure you toggled on use high priority notifications and reaction notifications on. All of this is on, and then try to reset notification settings if all of this doesn't help you. If all of this didn't help you, try to resetting your phone and contacting WhatsApp if it still doesn't works. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next one.